Alright guys, welcome back real quick. I made a video yesterday of 3 other different rim lights that was going out. I had a 2-row and then I had three rows. But the problem is I made the video like 5 times and it kept hiccuping, and I got tired of remaking the video over and over and over, so I just said screw it. But I think one set was going out to Maryland, one was going out to Colorado, and then one was going out to Montana. This set is going to Antonio in Wisconsin. So this is a 4-row. Now this is for a Polaris Slingshot also. The last ones that I did were Polaris Slingshots. Been doing a whole bunch of those here lately. And so one of the things that I found out was, and I'm not going to change my prices, but I'm really underpricing these lights compared to evidently the other vendors who do make rim lights for the Slingshot. It's like really crazy. So I did a little research and, seen some prices on some websites and whatnot. It's just been really nuts. But we're not changing any prices. They're staying the same. I've been doing this for many, many years. You've heard me say in some other videos. Been doing this like mid-2000s for rim lights. Got videos going back that far, so feel free to go back and look. But I'm going to plug these up real quick, and we're going to get a look at them and see what it is they look like. Oh. There we go. Turn off my overhead light here. So pretty much the same thing that you've seen in some of the other ones. Unfortunately, you've seen one, you kind of seen them all, but I do this for the owners so that they can see them, what they look like before I ship them out. And then this is just the final test that I do also, just to make sure everything works like it's supposed to before I ship them out to you. But cars, trucks, go-karts, I'm not go-karts, but golf carts, your Can-Ams, your Slingshots, kind of do it all. So different rings, different vehicles take different mounts and different size rings. But anyway, if you're looking for a set, let me know. Check the video description below for a link to the website. And that'll give you prices and options. We're getting ready to add some other options. But the prices will all be staying the same unless you want to add different things. And so one of the things that we're going to be doing is, let me turn this off real quick. One of the things that we're going to do is, we've got them, I've had them before, but trying to keep the cost down is basically where this copper pad is. There'll be an LED here and here and here. So you get twice as many LEDs per ring, per row, as you would currently like in this set here. So that's an option. It doesn't cost much more, but it is an option that you can do just to give you more lights. It's what I have on my particular Slingshot, but it does require more power supplies because you have more LEDs. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we're going to get this boxed up. I've got to build his body kit. We're going to go ahead and get these boxed up, ready to go. And they'll probably be out Monday because today's Friday. And it is 8:45. So I'm calling it quits for the night. We'll go get some dinner. And we'll start again in the morning. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.